In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start dictation in Gohighlevel. If you want to speak your prompt instead of typing it manually, Gohighlevel makes that process quick and simple through the Ask AI feature. This is especially helpful when you want to move faster, capture ideas as you think of them, or avoid typing long requests. To begin, open Gohighlevel and make sure you're on your main dashboard or inside the account where you want to use the feature. Once you're in the platform, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. That's where you'll find the main navigation menu for the different tools and sections available inside Gohighlevel. From that left side menu, click on Ask AI. This will open the AI workspace where you can enter prompts and interact with the assistant. Once the Ask AI page loads, direct your attention to the prompt box, which is the area where you would normally type your message. Inside or near that prompt box, look for the microphone icon. This is the button that starts the dictation feature. When you're ready to speak, click the microphone icon and begin talking clearly. As soon as you start, you'll notice that Gohighlevel begins recording your voice for transcription. At this point, just continue dictating your prompt naturally. A useful tip here is to speak at a steady pace and try to keep background noise to a minimum. That can help improve the quality of the transcription and make sure your spoken words are captured more accurately. You don't need to rush, just say what you want the AI to understand. Once you are done dictating, stop and review the recording controls on the screen. You should see a check icon appear as part of the dictation interface. Click that check icon to submit your recording. This confirms that you're finished speaking and sends the audio for processing. After that, all you need to do is wait while the AI transcribes your recording. Depending on the length of your message, this may take a moment. Give it a few seconds, and the spoken input should be converted into text inside the prompt area. And that's it. You've successfully started dictation in Gohighlevel, submitted your voice recording, and let the AI transcribe it for you. Once the transcription is complete, you can continue working from there inside Ask AI.